Hello everyone, EMT here, and today we are recomposing our shots with the pan and zoom tool within KineMaster. When filming, I personally follow mostly the rule of thirds by enabling the grid on my smartphone or camera. Whenever we enable the grid, long story short, we want to make sure we're aligning our subject according to the environment using the thirds of our frame. Or even easier, I generally place my subject in one of the 4 intersections of the grid. This is often used for interviews, product B-roll, and it allows you to maintain your horizontal line as well. While it's super easy to achieve good composition with the grid in camera, sometimes when we're on the go or using ultra-wide angle lenses, our composition can change. And this is where the KineMaster pan and zoom tool comes in extremely handy. Let's open KineMaster and create a brand new project. Tap on 16:9 and let's start bringing in your footage by tapping on the media button. Once you select your videos, tap on the check mark and they will be added to your timeline. In order to leverage the pan and zoom tool for adjusting the composition of your shots, select your clip, tap on pan and zoom, and here you can see the start and end position. In order to influence the entire clip, select the button with the 2 lines and this will make a global adjustment to that clip. This will give you the capability to adjust the framing of your clip. You can simply pinch to zoom and readjust and reposition your clip. Now the pan and zoom tool also gives you the option to animate your shots. Instead of altering the entire clip, we can simply select the start and end position and apply different adjustments to our frame. We're going to leave the start position as is, but at the end position, we're just going to go ahead and zoom in and adjust our composition. This will make your stationary shots, like time-lapse, a little bit more dramatic and interesting when trying to focus on a specific subject. So there you have it. It is super easy to recompose your shot with KineMaster and the pan and zoom tool. But I want to know what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you have questions or suggestions, drop them down there. Make sure you subscribe. And if you don't have KineMaster, you can download it right now on the Google Play Store and the App Store. Also, the link is down in the description. Or you can also search for KineMaster. You see? We just used the pan and zoom tool. Thank you so much for sharing your time with us. I'll see you on the next one.